Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best indoor smokeless grills you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. If you don't have enough space for an outdoor grill or want to cook juicy steaks and burgers all year without having to brave the weather, an indoor grill is a good option. You won't have to worry about setting off the fire alarm because they're smokeless. Some are even licensed for both indoor and outdoor use, so you can easily take yours outside on a patio when the weather permits. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Tenergy Redigrill Smokeless Infrared Indoor Tabletop Grill. Since this grill uses infrared heat, the rack can heat up but not the air around it, keeping your kitchen cool. If you're searing steaks or grilling burgers, the cooling tray collects grease and food drippings so they don't burn, keeping the kitchen less smoky. The grill heats quickly, reaching the maximum 446 degrees in about 6 minutes. Heat is distributed across the cooktop, so food cooks and browns evenly, with perfect grill marks. When cooking is done, the grill grate has a non-stick coating to make it easier to clean and can be hand washed or cleaned in the dishwasher. On number 4, PowerXL Smokeless Grill. This tabletop grill is a perfect choice because it has a fair price, a convenient cover, and a fan that catches smoke before it escapes. Although you won't use the lid to grill steaks, it will come in handy when you're trying to melt cheese on top of a burger, and you'll appreciate it when you need to keep food warm after it's been cooked. The water tray eliminates flare-ups and absorbs smoke odor while keeping your food moist during cooking. This grill includes both a grill plate and griddle plate, so you can grill steaks for dinner and cook pancakes for breakfast. Both plates are non-stick ceramic coated for easy cooking and easier cleaning. On number 3, GOTHAM Steel Smokeless Electric Grill, Griddle, and Pitchfork. This indoor grill with a non-stick ceramic grate and griddle has a great price. The grease catcher underneath the grate is built to keep food drippings from burning, reducing smoke production and making cleanup easier. A simple dial controls the cooking temperature, which ranges from warm to low, medium, and heavy. For even more fun, a kebab fork is included that has 4 large skewers to hold plenty of food. The griddle and grill plates each have their own heating elements, and both are dishwasher safe, although hand washing will likely improve the longevity of the non-stick surface. On number 2, WaxonWare Smokeless Non-Stick Grill Pan for Stovetop. The non-stick coating on this stovetop smokeless grill prevents food from sticking to the cooking surface while fats and food drippings drain off the grill grate for collection below. Water in the outer drip ring prevents smoke and spattering, and you can spice the water with liquid smoke or other flavorings to infuse flavor into your food as it cooks. This grill can be used on gas or electric stoves, on a portable propane burner for outdoor use, or even in the oven. While it is dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended and pretty easy, thanks to the non-stick surface. On number 1, Ninja Foodi Pro 5-in-1 Indoor Grill with Integrated Smart Probe AG400. Ninja continues to introduce new and creative products to its product line, such as this indoor grill. The smoke is greatly minimized thanks to a temperature-controlled grill grate, a spatter shield, and a cool air zone, while the lid prevents any lingering smoke within the cooking chamber and out of the kitchen. While this cooker has the appearance of a slow cooker, it is built for grilling and searing as well as air frying, roasting, baking, and dehydrating. For quick, even cooking, cyclonic technology circulates heated air, up to 500 degrees, around the interior of the cooking room. It can cook at temperatures as low as 105 degrees Fahrenheit for air frying without overheating the food. The grate can reach up to 500 degrees for attractive grill marks on the serving side, while the technology means food doesn't need to be flipped during cooking, so cooking can continue without a pause. The included temperature probe lets the cook monitor the food easily without having to lift the lid and lose the heat. When the food reaches the set temperature, the grill signals that it's done. The digital display makes it easy to set the cooking mode, time, and temperature, and is easy to wipe clean. A version without the temperature probe is also available. So guys, this was the video about the best indoor smokeless grills. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.